Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ClickUp statuses for consistent task handoffs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable ClickUp statuses for consistent task handoffs, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to configure the statuses. Select the space containing the tasks you wish to manage. Click on the settings icon located in the lower left corner. In the settings menu, choose tasks from the options available. Locate the custom statuses section. Click on the add status button to create a new status. Enter a name for the status that clearly reflects its purpose. Select a color for the status to visually differentiate it from others. Determine if this status should be used for all tasks or specific task types. Click Save to store your new status. Repeat the process for any additional statuses you want to create. Once all statuses are set, return to your task view. Open a task you want to update. Locate the status field within the task details. Select the newly created status from the drop-down menu. Save your changes to ensure the status is applied. To facilitate consistent handoffs, make sure all team members are informed about the new statuses. Encourage team members to regularly update task statuses as work progresses. Implement a review process to ensure tasks are handed off smoothly between team members. Utilizing these statuses will streamline your workflow for better task management. Monitor and adjust the statuses as needed to fit your team's evolving needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.